Okay, so hey investors, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will give you an update on Zomedica. So since my last video, the stock has been on a decline. So in this video, we're gonna get into why the stock is down and also what you should do with your share. So is Zomedica still a buy? Then also I'll talk about the current decline in the market, and also at the end of the video, stay tuned and I'll give you two stocks that I'm buying today on the dip, so whilst it's nice and cheap. But yeah guys, before I get into the video, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe down below to support the channel. And also my free Discord is linked down below, so join the free Discord for early buying opportunity and use my Webull link, deposit $100 and you get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850. But yeah investors, so let's get into this video. So along with the overall market, especially the penny market, we've seen the whole market down and we saw a huge fall in Zomedica. So yesterday the stock was down 10% and it's now sitting at $1.80 at the time of recording this video. So 2 weeks ago this would have been a very attractive buying price, because 2 weeks ago we were anticipating the product to be launched on March the 31st. However, news came out last week that the company has started commercialization of their products, and shortly after we got a big sell-off in Zomedica, and now the overall market is down, so the stock took a big hit and is now trading at below $2. So in my last video, I highlighted that Zomedica could be or is a great long-term hold. So I still believe that the stock can still hit $3 and even go further long term. So this is based on if the company is able to report sales of their 3 former products, and also their upcoming earnings could be another major catalyst for this stock, because good earnings and good revenue or good sales will translate to the product doing very well. Then we can see the stock price go up as well. So investors want to know if their products will actually sell, because there's been a lot of hype in Zomedica since the start of the year in relation to the pet market and also Zomedica in general and their product and how innovative it is. But it's all good and well having a nice product, but the product needs to bring in sale and bring in revenue, because essentially that's what's going to push the company, and also that's what's going to push the stock price. Because if the company can report good earnings, good revenue, good sales, then we can see the company elevate, then we can see the stock price go up as well to reflect this. So yeah guys, so the next major catalyst could potentially be their next upcoming earnings. So the stock did take a big hit due to overall market being down and also the huge sell-off in Zomedica. So people were in this for the short-term hold. So it was buy the news and sell the result, and that's exactly what people did. So we did see a big decline in Zomedica. However, it does have great long-term potential. So if you're willing to be patient and hold this stock, I do believe that it will pay off longer term. But yeah guys, so now the stock is at below $2. In my last video, I told you that anywhere below $2 is a very good getting price, and I still stand by this. So even after hours, the stock is back up. So we can probably see the stock go back to or test that $2 plus, maybe this week or even next week. But this cost range, $1.80, is a very attractive cost range to even start a position, or if you're down on your investment, then then consider averaging down. But yeah guys, so the fundamentals in Zomedica has not changed. Right now it's just following the overall market, and we're seeing a sell-off since the commercialization of their products was announced. So remember, you've not lost money in the market until you've sold off. So yeah guys, so this collection that we've seen is nothing to be scared of. So we're gonna take a look at a chart which was posted on Emmanuel Finance's his Insta story, which shows the decline in the market over the past few decades and also the duration, so how long this lasted for. So if you take a look here, so in 2018, we saw nearly a 20% decline in the market, which lasted 95 days, which is over 3 months. Then in 2015 to 2016, we saw a decline of 13%, which lasted 100 days. Then of course, last year, we saw a crash in the market, which was short-lived, and the overall duration of the decline only lasted 33 days, and now in 2021 I don't think it's even been a full month since we entered this correction in the market. But a lot of investors are panicking, and I think this is mainly due to the influx of new investors last year and also at the start of this year. So a lot of new investors in the market who may not know what they're doing, so got a lot of panicking in the market, and also people panic selling. So that's why it feels a lot worse than it actually is, because I still believe that this correction was to be anticipated. As to when we'll see the market or the overall stock market go back up, no one knows. You can't predict the market, and that's the thing. So you can't time the market. You can't sell all your shares now and plan to buy back in later on, hoping for a further crash, because you can't time the market. As we learned last year, when people were very reluctant to even buy shares when it was down at its bottom, because people thought it would keep going down. Then what did we see? We saw the market go back up to an all-time high. So if history has taught us anything, is that corrections crash is always followed by an uptrend. So if you're patient, you hold your shares, you've not lost money until you sold out. So if you're patient, then we should see the stock market bounce back. Then if you're holding good stocks, good long-term stock with good potential and also good fundamentals, then you can see that stock price go back up. So nothing in the company has changed. The fundamentals has not changed. So what we're seeing is a lot of panic selling, a sell-off, a correction in the market, because I believe a lot of stocks were overvalued. So that's what we're seeing. So yeah guys, that's just my take on what's going on in the stock market at the moment. I'm not panicking. I look into my companies, I buy what I need to buy on the dips, and I just leave it. And I've got a lot of uni work with my dissertation and my research projects, so I already have a lot going on as well. That's not investing, so that kind of keeps my mind off things. So maybe go exercise, just don't look at it too often, because if you keep seeing the red, you might be more tempted to sell off and take that loss, but you've not lost money until you've actually actively sold off. But yeah guys, so now I'm gonna give you the two stocks that I'm buying today on the dip. So the first stock I'm buying is called Fuelcell, so ticker symbol FCEL. So I'll be adding to my position in Fuelcell. So yesterday we saw this stock go down 7%, so that puts my investment in the negative, and when it's red, that's when I start buying, because I got into the stock very cheap. So seeing it at below $14 is a discount, so I'm gonna buy this discount. Then also the second stock I'm buying today is Global Star, so ticker symbol GSAT, which is now sitting at $1.45. So I'll be looking to add to my position in Global Star. So this is a long-term hold for me, at least a year minimum. But yeah guys, so that's the two stocks I'm buying, and also a quick update on Zomedica. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe down below to support the channel. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't buy or sell a stock because I said to do so. So always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing your money into any stock in the stock market. But yeah guys, my free Discord is linked down below, so join that free Discord, and also use my Webull link, deposit $100 and get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850. But yeah guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next video.